I'm ABC 15 reporter Eleni Dow. Victims from a deadly cycling crash in Goodyear from February of 2023. They thought they were getting a step towards justice on Friday, but instead they'll have to wait a little longer.
My purpose is to continue to improve and progress in my recovery.
Clay Wells still recovering after being one of nearly 20 cyclists hit on the Cotton Lane Bridge in February of 2023.
I think the most gutting thing of all of that is it was at the last minute again.
The case against the driver, Pedro Quintana Lujan, continues. A Friday hearing that could have determined guilt was canceled. Instead, the case is now headed to trial, something defense attorneys asked for.
I know a lot of us were looking forward to it finally being behind us in the next couple of weeks. And now it's probably going to drag out.
A jury trial is something Wells did want in the past, but was hoping it'd all be done sooner.
It's continuing from the victim's standpoint, we're back at picking at the scab and the wound is not going to heal yet.
Quintana Lujan originally told police his steering locked, but investigations found no issues.
Do you feel like it was an accident?
Personally, yeah. I think that he didn't intend to hit any of us. I do think that he operated his vehicle in a careless manner that led to the accident.
That will be up to a jury to decide.
Him being found guilty of what he did would be justice for me.
We reached out to Quintana Lujan's attorneys, who didn't provide a statement in time for this report, but in March, Quintana Lujan said,
"I'm sorry. It was not on purpose."
No trial date is set, but victims are pushing to honor Karen Melissa and David Caro, who died.
Is an opportunity, I think, for next year's session to introduce what I call Karen's Law, which is the missing part of the Arizona statutes regarding cannabis and the legalization.
Reports show Quintana Lujan had THC in his system, but Arizona law currently lacks a clear THC limit for drivers. One reason felony charges weren't pursued by the county attorney.
And hopefully we'll get some traction next year with that.
For now, the wait for justice continues. I'm Eleni Dow, ABC 15, Arizona.